Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Alexis and welcome to Life with Lexi. And if you're a returner, thank you for coming back. Today's video, as you can see by the title, is a quick, affordable, easy Valentine's Day look. Seriously, eyeshadow was 3 different colors. You can probably even get away with 2, to be honest. Let's be serious. And everything on my face is from the drugstore, and I also give you different options for the lips as well if you don't want to do a bold lip, if you're just kind of over the red lip, or if red lips for you are only for Christmas. I got you. But without me rambling on, if you are new and just want to watch my video, please subscribe. That's kind of rude if you don't want to subscribe but you watch my videos. And if you're a returner, thank you for coming back. Like the video. Please like and comment. I love when people comment on my videos. I really do. Without further ado, let's get started on this affordable, quick, and easy Valentine's Day tutorial. Alright, so let's get started. I have my hair up, band is on, little hairs out of my face. Let's get started on this affordable, quick, easy, foul-proof Valentine's look. First, gonna go in with my good old NYX Angel Veil Primer. Again, this is my favorite drugstore primer. Put that on the face. And by the way, y'all, it is 12:15 that I'm filming this, and I got a flight today later on at 8 o'clock, almost 9, and your girl's working because I love y'all. Next, I'm going to go in with a favorite drugstore foundation of mine, and it's the new Maybelline Superstay foundation, and I'm going to be wearing the shade 310. And now I'm going to pencil in my brows using my handy dandy Maybelline Brow Precise in the color Deep Brown. And now to highlight and also prime and clean up my brows, I'm going to use my new favorite concealer, which is the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define dupe of Tarte Shape Tape in the color C6. Don't be alarmed. I know it might look a little bit bright, but we are going to blend that out. And now to set the concealer and also set the rest of the face, I'm going to be using my handy dandy, most trusted, affordable setting powder, the Airspun Coty Translucent Powder. Then to kind of do the remainder of the face, what I like to do is I don't like to use a sponge to set the rest of the face. I go in with a fluffy brush just as such. Pick up a little bit of the Coty Airspun or translucent powder that you're using, and I will just kind of pat and then swirl, and also take off the excess under my eyes, so that when I place the bronzer and any powders on my face, they're going to glide, and then I don't risk it being so patchy later on. Now for the eyeshadow portion, I'm going to go in with the Covergirl Nudes palette. I feel like I've mentioned this once a little bit while back on my channel, but as you can see, the tones of this palette are, I think, gonna be suitable for a lot of you girls out there. They're very light and just very nude. That's what we're going for. They're very light, no makeup, natural glowy look. What I'm first going to do is take this first shade, actually the second shade right here, and it's kind of like a very nude beigey shade, and I'm going to place that all over the lid. Just kind of brighten everything up a little bit. Only downfall I don't like about palettes like these is that because they are rectangle this way, it's kind of hard to get your brush in there and like not touch any of the other shades, but that's just my personal preference. Next, I'm going to be taking the 4th shade from the, well, that'll be my right side, so 4th shade in from the right, and I forgot that they actually have names on the back here, and that is going to be called Fawn, and I'm going to just define the crease with that color. It is more of a cool tone brown, so just the slightest touch, and you definitely want to get in this crease area right here. Another trick I like to do if you're having a difficult time like trying to figure out where your crease is and what line to go towards, if you look down into a mirror, so I just have my compact here, look down into it and then you will see the socket, and then you're just going to follow your socket line just to define the crease. So I thought I was recording, but it wasn't. But as you see, I just deepened out the outer portion of my eye here, and I went in with this shade. Here it's the like second darker like brown, and that is the shade Cocoa, and I simply just took that shade and just ever so slightly deepened up the outer portion of the eye. The shimmer shade that I'm going to be using is also from another Covergirl palette, but this is the Goldens palette. And the shimmer that I'm going to be using is the second shade right here. That is in Chiffon. Sounds expensive. And I'm going to simply take that on a nice flat brush. I'm going to spray it. Don't mind me, this is a MAC Fix Plus little bottle. But if you don't have MAC Fix Plus, do not worry, do not fret, do not pop a blood vessel. You could just use water or rose water or whatever you have on hand. So we're just gonna take that shade and pop that, oops, right on the inner portion of the eye. All right, and then what you can do is you just, if you feel like you lost a little bit of brown or whatever, you just can go back in with the brush and a tad bit of that brown and just kind of smoke it out a little bit. And now I'm going to put on my lashes, and I'm going to go in with my new fave, the Christina Wispy Lashes. Again, I found these off Amazon, thanks to Nicole Guerrero, and I also believe Carly Bible wears these as well. And with the power of technology, no lashes, lashes! Side note, if you buy lashes, make sure you are cutting them down to fit your eye size. I have just recently realized that my lashes were a wee bit too long for my eyes. So you trim them down, you're good to go. So don't make that mistake, because it actually can make your eye look more droopy than it really is. And you don't want that. Now I'm going to go in with my favorite step, which is bronzer, and I'm going to go in with the Makeup Revolution Ultra Bronze. That's just all it says, really. I like this bronzer when I found it because it is extremely matte. There is no shimmer in this bronzer, and I have noticed that drugstore bronzers are a little bit hard to find without shimmer. So I was kind of glad that I found this one, so we'll be using this baby today. I will say this bronzer is extremely pigmented, so a little goes a long way, girls. Just to clear out the cheeks. I like to start where the hairline is and then just kind of work my way down and push up. This bronzer is a little bit warm for me, but it's okay. And then I am using this angle brush on purpose, and then you just take a little bit of that bronzer and then go along the sides of your nose to give it that nice little like snatched look. Now, being what this look is, I feel like I can do two different types of options with lips. You can do kind of like a nudie lip. I think I'm gonna do like a nude pink with this eye, or you can do a red lip. I will demonstrate what both look like just for you guys. So this lip color is the L'Oreal Infallible Paints in the color Spicy Blush. I feel like it also goes with my background too. How cute. So you can either do this or maybe like a really nude, like something close to your skin tone, which you can. I just like a pink look on Valentine's Day. It's really cute, you know? And now I will demonstrate what the red lip looks like. And the red lip I'm using today is, of course, the best red lipstick ever, which is the Colourpop I Love Seta E color Red in Ariba. And this is the red lip. I just love red lip. I seriously will try to wear a red lip for every look I do. Like, that's how much I love red. I'm just not bold enough to wear it to work. So one thing I'm not bold enough to do. I need to change that, right? So again, this look is just really versatile, so you can pick whatever lip color that you desire. Well, we're gonna stick with the red. And of course, now my favorite part is going to be that glow, so that highlight that we're going for. And I'm going to use a awesome highlighter. This is by Maybelline. It's the Master Chrome highlighter, and it's in molten gold. Like, let me just put it on because it will speak for itself. And this part, really load up the brush, because this is going to be the most important. And I'm talking, girl, we are going to swoop it up here, just here. And I do like this highlight because it is buildable. It's one of those where if you just want a little glow, girl, you could. But if you really want to build it up, you can. Girl. If your date doesn't like this, then you need to get a better date, to be honest. If they don't appreciate your highlight, get a new one. I'm gonna put this a little bit on my nose as well. So this is the final look, guys. Again, this is extremely glowy. Like, glowy. Right, glowy, bronzy look here that I feel like not only is it affordable because everything I used on my face was drugstore friendly. The only thing that you might not find at the drugstore personally is going to be this red lip here, but there are plenty other brands with the red lip that I would recommend. Maybelline has some pretty bomb ass red lips, so just saying. I feel like this is that look that is not only simple. The eyeshadow literally was 3 different colors. That was it. But this is extremely glowy, simple, but beautiful. You have the lashes. It's just simple. You can't beat a red lip on Valentine's Day. And again, I did show you that other option too, in case you didn't want to do a red lip, or you know, you're just not that bold, or you're just a little scared. Don't worry, I used to be the same way. So you can do a nude lip, you can do a nude lipstick, a nude gloss, or you can just even put a gloss on. Whatever suits you. I just want to make this simple, and for you girls out there to not stress about what your makeup is going to be, and just enjoy the day if you are with somebody. And if you're not with somebody, girl, do this for you. Wear this to work, wear this to the grocery store, do what you need to do, but you are going to wear this. You don't have to have a man to beat your face. You don't. So again, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Hope you guys out there have a fabulous Valentine's Day, and girl or guy, if you don't have a date, still enjoy it. It's just a day. Honestly, it's really a made-up holiday, so it's not even that serious. Anyways, guys, enjoy, and I will catch you on the next video. Bye.